Hello guys, welcome back to another session of Chart of the Week, and today's date is 19th October 2024, and today we are going to discuss a very small cap company. And guys, whatever stock we are discussing in the Chart of the Week, it is not a buy and sell recommendation. Video is only for education purpose only. हम जो भी स्टॉक डिस्कस करते हैं उसके अंदर बाय एंड सेल करने की रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है गाइस. ओके. So in this video, we are going to discuss a small cap company, and I will discuss very few points. You please write down those points on your notebook and track the stock chart till 1 year. Okay. If you track this stock for the 1 year or more, then the result will be like this. See, all these stocks were discussed 1 year before, and after 1 year, see the result. What is result they have given? है ना? So, if you want this kind of result, you have to at least give 1 year to 2 year to the stock. Okay, and this kind of return you cannot generate from trading. It is only possible through investing, guys. Okay, so I will discuss very few points, very important points. You must make notes of those points, and whenever you track or whenever you open the chart of this stock, you please remember the important points which we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, so first of all, the stock name is Zygle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited. Its market cap is, guys, 5,460 crore, and its current market price is 445 rupees. Okay, so what this company do, the company Zygle builds world-class financial solutions and products to manage business expenses of corporates, SMEs and startups through automated and innovative workflows. It means that this company makes software. This company makes software which are used to manage expenses of corporates. Okay, so it is basically IT sector related company, and the ROC is 17, ROE is 14 of this company, and the PE is 93. Okay, so now another important point, the sales of the company. Whenever you study any company, please focus on sales. I will tell you some points. You must focus on those things which are very important. Sales, the sales is of the company is continuously increasing, guys. You can see here 240, then 371, 553, 776, and this year it is 909 crore. The sales of the company is continuously increasing, and the OPM is static at 9%. Okay, so the profit of the company is increasing slowly. Okay, this is very important. Okay, there must be a gradual increase in net profit, guys. Okay, and the most important point is EPS. The EPS must be increasing. Now you can see here it is 2.48, then 3.59, and this year it is 4.80. So the EPS is also increasing. So these 3 points are very important: sales, then OPM, and EPS. So the all these points are very positive. Then you can see here reserves of the company. Reserves were negative, but now it is 563 crore, and the loan is decreased. Before it was 141 crore, and now it is 87 crore. So the debt is decreasing of the company, which result in the increase of net profit because interest cost decreases. You can see here the interest cost was 14 crore, and this year it is 11 crore because they reduced their loans. Okay, so this is another important point, and now we will go to holding. The promoter holding is at 43.93%. FIIs is reducing their stake because they have bought the stock on the IPO. That's why they are selling their holding. But DIs were also decreasing their holding, but recently they have increased their holding by 1%. Okay, and the most important is Ashish Kacholia ji. The Ashish Kacholia is yeah, very famous investor, and you can see Ashish Kacholia has increased its holding. You can see here 1.74, then 2.21, and now 2.37. So the Ashish Kacholia ji is increasing their holding in this company. Okay, because the fundamentals of the company are supporting. Okay, the points which we have discussed already here. Now we will go to website of the company. You can see here their clients. So this is the list of the clients, and all the clients are very famous. I think most of the companies are well known to everybody, and they provide software to the company. Okay, and these are fine partners of this company. So this company is having very good fundamental overall clients, and all these things are very positive for the company. You can study further by reading their annual report, okay, which is available in the screener. And if you come here, you can read all those things. Okay, PPT is also there, con call PPT, con call notes, all these things are available. You can study further details, but the most important is chart, and that's why I have selected this stock because it has given breakout. Okay, so without breakout or without any technical reason, I don't buy any stock. Okay, so this stock's current market price is 445, which we have discussed already, and this stock was in consolidation. Okay, and the if the stock is in consolidation zone, and there are volume spikes on the chart, see the spikes on this chart here the spikes, then here's the all the spikes are there. This indicates that some smart people are buying into this stock. Okay, and after they complete their buying, the stock gives the breakout. Okay, you can see here it has given breakout with huge volume, but now the stock is retesting its breakout level, and when the buying will be completed, the stock will go up. Okay, this thing generally happens all around. If you try to find such stocks, you will find multiple stocks like this. Okay, and the another important reason, it was in consolidation, it has given breakout. This is first reason. The second reason is important pattern, and the important pattern is ascending triangle pattern. This stock has made ascending triangle pattern, and it has given the breakout of ascending triangle pattern. So uh, this is extremely important pattern. If you find this kind of pattern, you should not miss this pattern. Okay, अब इसके लिए क्या है, सबसे important support कौन सा है breakout देने के बाद? The most important support is this trend line, and if it breaks this trend line, then this breakout level is very important support for the stock, 380 rupees around. Okay, if it breaks this level and it again uh, come into the consolidation zone, then it will take time to give the breakout. Okay, so this is the chart of the week. Stock Segal Prepared Oceans Limited. Please study this company in detail by reading the uh, annual report and PPT and all that. And this is not a buy and sell recommendation. Please do not sell your portfolio in fear of the market crash. Hold all the stocks, follow your stop loss, follow your setup. I have discussed trade setup in this video. You can watch this video, and you will get very good information about how to make your setup. Okay, so thank you very much, and happy trading, guys.